Hi there, students. To subsist, a verb. Subsistence, the noun. Yes. Okay, subsistence. An uncountable noun nearly always. Okay, to subsist means to get enough food to continue alive, but no more. To survive on the very minimum. Yeah, to get just enough money to live. So the wages that the company paid were so low that the employees needed to have a second job in order to subsist, to exist, to continue to survive. The prisoner subsisted on a diet of bread and water and nothing else. Okay, so to subsist, to continue alive with the bare minimum. Yeah, to subsist, to also to remain in existence, and here the two meanings go together. So this concept continues to subsist in many cultures. Continue alive. It maintains itself alive. Yeah, but to subsist, to live with the very minimum. I have a feeling that many people in the US subsist on a diet of hamburgers and soft drinks, which is not good for them at all. Yeah. When times were hard, we had to subsist on milk from our cow and nothing else. Okay, so to subsist on something, to manage to live, to manage to continue living. Yeah, you could have subsistence farming where you manage to grow just enough to survive, but if anything goes wrong, you're going to starve. So to subsist, to stay alive, to survive, yeah, to endure, to manage to just keep your head above water. Yeah, so subsistence level, the very, very minimum level that will keep you alive. Yeah. I think to subsist, it could be to maintain or support yourself. So he subsists on a low income, but especially when this is at a very minimum level, and if it goes any lower, you're going to have a serious problem. So yeah, he subsisted on payments from the DHSS welfare, yeah, British welfare, and he did the odd job as well for cash, which helped him quite a lot. Okay, so if people subsist, they're able to obtain food or enough money, but very little more. Yeah. Although we have this idea to subsist on, to always eat. This is the thing that you can afford, but it's got the idea of low resources or a minimum of resources. But then also notice we can use this verb to subsist, meaning to continue to exist, particularly in a legal concept, as a legal concept. So the contract has not been cancelled and therefore subsists. Yeah. Could you subsist on just one meal a day? Yeah, it would be very good for you probably. It would certainly be good for me. Okay, and then subsistence, the condition of just having enough. Yeah, subsistence agriculture, subsistence farming at a subsistence level. Yeah, just at the very minimum. The means of subsistence of this population is in threat. Yeah, if is under threat. I think it would be better under threat. Yeah, the amount of food that they make or they grow is at subsistence level. So yeah, they're growing a subsistence crop. Yeah, something that they want to eat as soon as it's ready. Okay, so subsistence, or to subsist, either to continue or to manage to survive. In philosophy, you could also use this word to subsist to say that a theory exists, or an intangible concept may exist. Yeah, but that's quite an unusual meaning. Notice to subsist, a regular verb. A person subsists on the thing that they live from. Yeah, he finds it difficult to subsist on his income. Yeah, but again, this low level. Okay, formality, to subsist. I think I would give it a 6.5 in formality. I think you could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation, but not an informal one. I think I would use to get by or something like that, informally. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Latin, from subsistere, meaning to stand firm, to stand strong. Yeah, which comes from sub, below or under, and sistery, to stand or to set or to put in position. Okay, so to subsist, to have the minimum level of things needed to survive. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Subsist. Subsistence.